Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally sound stock which is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's favorite and where he has bought 7 lakh shares during the last quarter. Now this stock is from the pharma sector and recently the big bull has said that is extremely bullish on pharma stocks. Friends, if you have not already become a member on our channel, please click on the blue join button and follow the steps to become channel members. This entitles you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Lupin Limited and this is one of the stocks which has made Rakesh Jhunjhunwala the name that he is today. Now the stock is currently available at Rs 869.20 and the face value for it is 2. The March 2019 holding for Rakesh Jhunjhunwala in this particular company stands at 1.93%. The symbol for it is LUPIN. Now Lupin Limited is a pharmaceutical company engaged in producing, developing and marketing a range of branded and generic formulations, biotechnology products and active pharmaceutical ingredients across the world. The company offers products in the cardiovascular, diabetology, asthma, pediatrics, central nervous system, gastrointestinal, anti-infectives and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug therapy areas. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has not really gone anywhere and has been choppy throughout the entire year. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 39,330.75 crores. The EPS of 28.48 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 30.52, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 29.74. The price to book ratio of 2.49 is also not very expensive. The company has a dividend yield of 0.58%, whereas the promoter holding is just below average at 46.97%. Also, none of the promoters holding is placed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.